Yesterday on CGTN's Digital Safari. In the Maasai Mara, wildebeest and zebra were spread as far as the horizon, making their way to the river. Eager to feed on the lush offerings on the other side of the rapids, the wildebeest leapt into the river, not calculating the rocky surface of their entry point, resulting in failed and flailing attempts. This gave way to the water predators, an easy meal ticket for this September morning. The determination of one wildebeest outweighed the incredible bite force of a Nile crocodile. Allowing it to escape the close grip of death by the skin of its tail. On the plains, a sad scene unfolded. A young and injured elephant limped painfully into the bush. This elephant will be very vulnerable to predators, and the bush may offer some protection. Not far was a herd of elephant enjoying a drink, and another herd seen in the distance also hoping to quench their thirst on this hot morning. In Pinda, the Baela coalition of cheetahs slept in the high grass. One was nurturing an elbow wound. The pair still managed to incorporate a bit of playtime in between their naps. Leaving the cheetahs to rest, Grant came across an old male buffalo who was trying to flick the flies off a wound in his ear. In Djuma, Thandi moved through the bushes in search of a meal. An unsuccessful stalk for the time being, but the ever-vigilant Thandi will try again soon. In Gala, a male leopard spent his morning rolling in the sand, but also staying alert of his surroundings. And in Tswalu, the cute sighting of a lioness resting while suckling her cubs was a sight to behold, with the rest of the pride relaxing in the warmth of the Kalahari sand. A perfect conclusion to a day out in the African wilderness. Join us every day at 4:30 GMT on CGTN digital platforms for your very own virtual safari through the African wild.